The Edro 3 was a cargo ship built in 1966 in Norway. This now abandoned boat called Edro 3 first story began on October the 8th, 2011 in heavy seas during a voyage to Rhodes. At the time of the incident, the ship had 9 crew members, 7 Albanians and 2 Egyptians. The crew were rescued and airlifted to safety of Paphos by a local British military helicopter. In the past, there have been plans to try and tow the shipwreck away, but they all have been abandoned due to the difficulty of the project. And now, this place is becoming more and more popular every year for tourists to come and see. Welcome back to a new video, and today we are at the edge of a cliff and we're looking over an abandoned boat. Now, the history for this boat will be in the video, like with the shots. I did have it, I've forgotten it, and I'm here with...
Hi.
Macaulay again. We're here on holiday, so we're just going around places. Now this is an abandoned one, and we're going to get the sunset as well, so it's going to be nice, I think. Well, I hope so anyway. Now, at low tide you can actually get on that boat, but it's high tide, so unlucky us, I guess, because we're busy and we've got other things we need to do, so at least we'll come and see it and just have a look at it. I found my spot, here it is. Right, we're gonna get some shots here. We might send the drone up a bit later when sunset starts to happen. We'll see how it is. Right, we're just gonna have a little walk over here to get the other side of the boat, and then I'm gonna send the drone up.
video with the shot of this, so I hope you like it, and please hit the like button, please subscribe, and go check out Macaulay, and I'll see you in the next one.